Hello everyone. In this video there are two individual lessons on travel and weather phrasal verbs. You can skip to any lesson in the video with the timestamp provided in the description. Here are all the lessons in the video. Set off. Set off. Meaning: to start a journey. To start a journey. I set off for a new adventure to the United States. I set off for a new adventure to the United States. Get in. Get in. Meaning: to arrive somewhere. To arrive somewhere. We get in at roughly 8 o'clock. We get in at roughly 8 o'clock. Take off. Take off. Meaning: when a plane departs or leaves the ground. When a plane departs or leaves the ground. The plane will take off in 20 minutes. The plane will take off in 20 minutes. See off. See off. Meaning: to go to an airport or a station to say goodbye to someone. To go to an airport or a station to say goodbye to someone. He went to see off his brother at the station. He went to see off his brother at the station. Get on. Get on. Meaning: to enter a bus, train, or plane to climb on board. To enter a bus, train, or plane to climb on board. Every time I get on a plane, I quake with fear. Every time I get on a plane, I quake with fear. Look around. Look around. Meaning: to explore what is around you in your area. To explore what is around you in your area. Do we have to pay to look around the castle? Do we have to pay to look around the castle? Drop off. Drop off. Meaning: to take someone to a place and leave them there. To take someone to a place and leave them there. Could you drop off the kids on your way to work? Could you drop off the kids on your way to work? Get away. Get away. Meaning, to have a holiday. To have a holiday. Will you manage to get away this summer? Will you manage to get away this summer? Stop over. Stop over. Meaning, to stay at a place for a short period of time when travelling to another destination. To stay at a place for a short period of time when travelling to another destination. I wanted to stop over in India on the way to Australia. I wanted to stop over in India on the way to Australia. Check in. Check in. Meaning, to register at a hotel. To register at a hotel. What time do we check in at the hotel? What time do we check in at the hotel? Pick up. Pick up. Meaning, to go and fetch someone from a place and take them somewhere else. To go and fetch someone from a place and take them somewhere else. Could you do me a favour and pick up Sam from school today? Could you do me a favour and pick up Sam from school today? Set out. Set out. Meaning, to start a journey. To start a journey. The expedition set out for the upper reaches of the Amazon. The expedition set out for the upper reaches of the Amazon. Look forward. Look forward. Meaning, to look forward to something that is going to happen in the future. To look forward to something that is going to happen in the future. I look forward to going on holiday next week. I look forward to going on holiday next week. Hold up. Hold up. Meaning, delay when travelling. Delay when travelling. There was a hold-up at the airport. There was a hold-up at the airport. Speed up. Speed up. Meaning, to increase speed. To increase speed. We need to speed up a little if we want to arrive at the airport on time. We need to speed up a little if we want to arrive at the airport on time. Check out. Check out. Meaning: to leave and pay for your stay at a hotel. To leave and pay for your stay at a hotel. Guests should check out of their rooms by noon. Guests should check out of their rooms by noon. Brighten up. Brighten up. Meaning: when the sky becomes lighter and the sun starts to shine. When the sky becomes lighter and the sun starts to shine. According to the weather forecast, it should brighten up later. According to the weather forecast, it should brighten up later. Cloud over. Cloud over. Meaning: the sky is covered with clouds. The sky is covered with clouds. The weatherman predicted it would cloud over and rain. The weatherman predicted it would cloud over and rain. Clear up. Clear up. Meaning: it stops being rainy or cloudy. It stops being rainy or cloudy. The weather should clear up this afternoon. The weather should clear up this afternoon. Warm up. Warm up. Meaning: to become warmer. To become warmer. However, it did warm up very quickly. However, it did warm up very quickly. Cool down. Cool down. Meaning: to become cooler. To become cooler. The rain should cool down the intense summer heat. The rain should cool down the intense summer heat. Bucket down. Bucket down. Meaning: to rain heavily. To rain heavily. As soon as we were inside, the rain began to bucket down. As soon as we were inside, the rain began to bucket down. Blow over. Blow over. Meaning: when the storm becomes less strong and then end. When the storm becomes less strong and then end. The clouds will soon blow over. The clouds will soon blow over. Pour down. Pour down. Meaning: to rain heavily. To rain heavily. It was all fun and frolics until it began to pour down with rain. It was all fun and frolics until it began to pour down with rain.